Hi friends, today we will see how to earn money in online. I am Sathak, we will get into the video. First of all, you just copy the link which I will give in the description below and paste it in the browser. After pasting, you will be redirected to this page. Now click on join. Now enter your email. I already signed up, so I am using some temporary mail. Now paste your email address. Paste your email address, then type your password. Now click on I have read and accept term of uses and privacy policy. Now click on I am not a robot, it is for verification purpose. Now click on register. After that it will come to this page. Now you go to the mail. Now refresh your page. Now you will receive a mail for activation. Now click here. Now you have successfully created it. Now we will short a link. I will use my YouTube channel link. I copied my link. Now paste it in the shorten URL. 1 minute. Now paste that link in the shorten URL and get paid. Now click on shorten. Now you will get a link like this. If you share this link to your friends, colleagues and your relatives, they will open this page. I'll show you. Now they will be showing some ads, then after that 5 seconds it will take, then it will be redirected to my YouTube channel or the link which you pasted in the shorten URL. Now it is redirected to my YouTube channel first which I pasted there. Now you will be earning by like this. Today I earned 1 view equal to $0.0005. For proof I will show my existing email ID. Now click on I am not a robot. Now click on the login button. Now as you can see I have earned almost $1.0615. You can withdraw that money in this tab. You can withdraw only if you get $5. That is the least money to be earned to get payout. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. We will continue a series on this money earning series. So thank you.